This is St. Joseph's Girls SS Senior Secondary School in Zambia.
Our project is recycling waste paper.
Recycling is the process of using waste material to make new products. In this case, we are using waste paper to make a variety of products.
Paper is soaked in water, squeezed and filled with more water until energy is required to enable the paper absorb water to form pulp.
This pulp is squeezed out of the water. A mortar and pestle is used to make a better pulp.
Here, little water is heated, then 10% of the starch of the original mass of the paper is added to this water, then also 12% of aluminium sulfate is added to this mixture, and it's boiled at a temperature of 70 degrees. This is what it looks like. It's viscous after you've boiled, so it's added to this mixture.
The importance of adding starch is to enhance the ionic bonding which is between paper and the water which is in this space. And so we add aluminium sulfate to provide a acidic medium for the action of this starch.
After addition of these additives, we are going to add resin. Resin increases the rate of reaction of starch and alum into this solution. At all you have wet paper and you want to color, you can use dye, any dye of your color you want. Either you can use red or green, any color. Then you mix the solution uniformly. After it's used the filtering screen to filter out the pulp so that you allow the water to drain out.
After filtering, absorbent cloth is used to press more water out of the pulp. By doing this, we are reducing the thickness of the pulp, hence increasing the chemical bonding in the paper.
Pulp is put under the sunlight in order to dry, and this is the sample of the dried paper. After drying, you peel it off from the screen, and in order to make it smooth, ready for use, we iron it.
This is a sample of the iron paper. We level it using a scissor, which is a first-class lever.
The leveled paper is then cut into different products.
These bags are all of the products that are made. To make them finished, we print out using force and to bring out the different designs as you can see.
The biggest problem that our world is facing is environmental degradation. You know, when this paper is one of the waste people try, like in most cases, dump. So when this is gathered, it's already, like in most cases, burned. So when it's burned, this increases the carbon dioxide concentration. However much the percentage may be small, but at least it contributes. So us recycling it was one of the way of improving on environmental conservation.
We want to get this paper which has already been used so that we make it again be useful, not cut more down trees because that will lead to deforestation, changing our climate, which is not good at all. So we want to recycle paper that has been wasted and is back to use.
Okay, we are trying to reduce on the littering of paper, and we are trying to recycle it to show people that this paper you throw away is just thinking about that it won't work for you anymore. This paper has more use than what you even imagine.
In Uganda today, we find that many products consist of paper, but they are being imported into the country. For example, look at the packaging boxes. You open a box, it has a television, and the television is covered with some paper substance. But this paper is coming from outside. Yes, this paper can be made from here. Therefore, from the paper that we've made, if we put in more research and more additives, we believe we can make the paper the whites do make. And I believe we can make Uganda a better place.
Ionic bonding is formed between paper and water. This ionic bonding in this case improves the viscous form of our pulp.
Here we boil a solution of starch with aluminium sulfate and measure the temperature, applying heat as it is in physics.
Here we use mixtures. We combine paper, which is the pulp, with the water. Then we use the starch and the aluminium sulfate, which after boiling to make a uniform mixture.
ecology, use of light is used to dry the paper.
Machines are used in the labeling of the paper.
Measurement is used when making various products from this paper.
And here, force is used to print on the different designs onto the bags to make them finished and eye-catching for sale.